Welcome back. This lesson is where modern support gets genuinely exciting. We're going to look at Microsoft Copilot and how AI can help you tear through your ticket queue, summarizing long threads, sorting and prioritizing, and drafting clean replies. But there's a golden rule running through all of it: AI gives you a fast first draft, never the final word. You verify before you trust. Let's dig in. So what is Microsoft Copilot? It's not one thing, it's a family of generative AI assistants baked into the tools you already use. 3 matter most to you. Copilot Chat is the general assistant for summarizing and drafting. Copilot in Intune lives in the admin center and answers questions about your own tenant's devices and policies. And Microsoft Security Copilot is the one security teams use to investigate incidents. Different tools, different jobs. You'll also use general public chatbots, and they're brilliant for drafting and explaining concepts. But understand the difference: a public LLM cannot see your tenant. It's guessing from general knowledge, and it carries real privacy risk if you paste sensitive data in. Copilot in Intune, by contrast, is grounded in your actual device and policy data, so for tenant-specific questions it's far more trustworthy. Pick the right tool for the question. Tier 1 lives in the queue, and triage is where AI earns its keep. Feed it a 40-message email chain and ask for a 4-bullet summary. Ask it to classify the ticket by category and suggest a priority and which queue it should route to. Here's a sample prompt you can reuse. The AI does the sorting grunt work in seconds, but you confirm the final category and priority. It suggests, you decide. Users almost never write good tickets. My laptop is broken is a starting point, not a diagnosis. So turn the vague report into structure. Ask the AI for clarifying questions, a ranked list of the most likely causes, and the first thing to check for each. Look at this prompt for an Outlook sign-in loop. In one shot you get a triage plan you can work through methodically instead of guessing. AI is a fantastic drafting partner. Tell it the tone, the length, and the reading level, and it'll produce a clear, friendly reply in seconds. It can even suggest which knowledge base articles probably apply. Here's a sample. But remember, your name is on that email. The AI drafts, you review, you send. Accountability never transfers to the tool. Now the really powerful one for endpoint work. Inside the Intune Admin Center, open the Copilot pane and just ask, in plain English, why is this device non-compliant, or which policies are assigned here? Because it's grounded in your tenant's actual data, the answer is rooted in reality rather than internet guesswork. This is your go-to for tenant questions, and we'll lean on it again next lesson for diagnosing endpoints. This is the slide that matters most. AI hallucinates. It will invent a knowledge base number or the meaning of an error code with complete, confident certainty, and be flat wrong. So 3 hard rules. 1. Never send an AI-drafted reply without reading every line and checking the facts. 2. Never paste passwords, customer data, tokens, or internal addresses into a public chatbot. 3. Cross-check any technical claim against official Microsoft docs. AI gives you a fast first draft, not gospel. Let's recap. Microsoft Copilot comes in variants: Chat, Copilot in Intune, and Security Copilot, each with its job. AI is brilliant at triage, summarizing, classifying, and drafting replies, and Copilot in Intune can answer questions about your real devices. But you always verify, you protect PII, and you own what you send. Your task: take one messy ticket, use AI to summarize it, suggest a category and priority, and draft a reply, then edit that reply and write one sentence on what you had to fix. See you in the next lesson.